Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Redfin search filters, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with configuring Redfin search filters, open the Redfin website or app. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the city, neighborhood, or zip code where you want to search for real estate. Once the results load, find the filter options on the left side of the screen. Begin by selecting price to set your budget. Adjust the minimum and maximum price sliders according to your financial limits. Next, select beds to choose the number of bedrooms you prefer. You can also specify the minimum and maximum number of bathrooms under the baths filter. Now look for the home type filter. Select the types of properties you are interested in, such as single-family homes, condos, or townhouses. To further narrow down your search, use the square feet filter. Input your desired range for the living space size. Next, explore additional filters like lot size if outdoor space is important to you. You can also set filters for year built to focus on newer or older homes. Check the On Redfin filter if you want to see homes that were recently added. Utilize the Open Houses feature to search for properties available for viewing. You can even filter for specific amenities, such as pools or garages, by using the More Filters section. Once you've applied all your desired filters, hit the Apply button to update your search results. As you browse through listings, you can adjust your filters at any time for more precise results. Also, consider saving your search criteria for future reference. To do this, click on the Save Search option and give it a name. This way, you can easily return to your customized search later. Finally, explore individual listings to gather more information on properties that catch your eye. Pay attention to the details provided, including photos, descriptions, and price histories. By following these steps, you can effectively configure Redfin search filters to find your ideal home. Happy house hunting! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.